Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Solomon. He just came to the office, and he's categorized as a late Norwood 4, early Norwood 5 with frontal third hair loss running through his vertex and going into his crown. Welcome to Natural Transplant, Solomon.
Thank you.
So what got you interested in a hair transplant?
I've been losing my hair at a young age. I'm 23 now. I've been losing it since I was probably 18, and it just messed with college and stuff like that. So I'm ready to get it fixed.
Well, you came to the right place. First thing we're going to do is draw out a new hairline for you. And once we get the approval of the hairline, we'll go into the procedure room. So we're going to follow with you the entire day. Let me have you put your chin down. And as you see, we have our work cut out for us. Definitely want to go ahead and reinforce that entire frontal third. Even mentioned adding some temples. And let's get to work. We'll catch up with you later. And here I am back with Solomon. And pretty much we've drawn out the hairline. Pretty uneventful. Adding in a little bit of temple work, just mostly on his right side. And then our main focus is definitely that frontal third, working through the vertex. So we are ready for a fun-filled day today. Right, Solomon?
Yeah, I'm ready. We're ready.
So here I am with Solomon. Long day,
Yeah,
but a great day.
worth it.
You did absolutely amazing. How was your experience?
It was great. It was no stress at all. The staff was cool. Dr. Siegel was cool. No complaints at all. I mean, maybe the anesthesia it hurt a little bit. It was a little prickly, a little discomfort, but once we got past that, it was easy.
And you did absolutely amazing. I mean, this head is packed, so I'm super excited for you. You did absolutely amazing. And again, thank you so much for trusting in myself and the team.
Of course.
And we will follow you through this entire year and watch your progress. And you have a new hairline.
Sweet. I'm excited. Thank you.
Happy.